network computers. New, powerful, hooked into everything. Trusted to run it all.
In the grim darkness of the future, there's only automation. Making wages, wars not only on distant planets, but also on household inefficiencies. Only the bravest dare to harness the sacred power of the Tuya 433 Smart WiFi Switch. With voice commands, remote access, and the arcane magic of radio frequency signals, this device became a beacon of light in the world of violence and chaos. Join the Imperium, embrace the code, and control everything.
In today's video, we'll explore what this powerful little device, the Tuya 4-channel Smart WiFi Switch, can do. From remote control to voice automation, we'll walk you through the setup and demonstrate how to connect a real halogen lamp on channel 4. This switch supports 4 channels and works with both the Smart Life and Tuya Smart apps. You can control each relay individually, switch between interlock, inching, or latch modes, and even use RF433 MHz remotes. It's compatible with Alexa and Google Home, has built-in timer functions, and even supports DEN rail mounting for professional use. Let's get it connected. You'll need a 5V micro USB power source, or optionally 732V DC or 110/250V AC. I'm using USB for safety. Open the Smart Life app, tap the icon, select Switch, Wi-Fi, and follow the instructions. Make sure your phone is on a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. To set up your Tuya 4-channel Smart Wi-Fi Switch for the first time, connect it to power, either through the micro USB port or via the terminal with 7 to 32 volts DC or 85 to 250 volts AC. If it's blinking quickly, the device is already in pairing mode. If it's not blinking, press and hold the small button on the board for about 5 seconds, until the LED starts flashing rapidly. That means it's ready to pair. Now open the Tuya Smart or Smart Life app. Make sure Bluetooth and location are enabled on your phone, and that you're connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Tap the plus icon, select Add Device, and choose Quick Pairing, Bluetooth Wi-Fi. The app should automatically find the switch. Enter your Wi-Fi password, and the device will connect to the cloud in a few seconds. Once connected, you can name it, like Smart Switch, Garage Lights, or Channel 4, Lamp. That's it. You can now control all 4 channels from anywhere, set timers, use voice assistants, and much more. Now let's wire a real example. For this test, an external 12V DC power supply was connected to channel 4, CH4. The ground wire was connected directly to the load to ensure a clear separation between the power supply and the switching circuit. The goal was to evaluate the reliability and switching behavior of the module in a realistic scenario. Important, this module only gives a signal output, it doesn't provide power, so you must use it to trigger a relay or switch that handles mains current safely. Once wired, I can switch it on and off from the app, set a timer, or use voice control. You can also connect a 433 MHz remote, or flash the module with custom firmware like Tasmoda or ESP-Home for local control via Home Assistant. This opens up advanced automation, local voice commands, or even sensor integration. totally cloud-free. After a quick test with an LED light strip, I noticed that it wasn't actually designed for 12V DC as I had hoped. The strip didn't respond correctly and seemed incompatible with the power setup. For safety reasons, I decided to use 12V DC for this initial test run. It's much safer to work with low voltage when you're setting up and testing for the first time. This way, I could avoid any risks associated with higher voltages during the initial phase. After replacing the LED strip with a 12V, 50-watt halogen lamp, I checked the setup carefully. To ensure a stable and reliable connection, I inspected all the wiring contacts individually. The crocodile clips I had used looked worn and unstable, so I measured the voltage at each point using a multimeter, just to make sure power was reaching the right places. Once I had improved the contact points and confirmed a solid connection, the relay triggered cleanly, and the lamp responded exactly as expected. Honestly, I find it pretty amazing that a device like this, with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, RF control, and 4 independent relays, can be delivered for under $10 plus shipping. Just a few years ago, building something similar yourself would have cost way more and taken a lot more time. It's impressive how accessible smart home technology has become. I hope this video helped you understand what's possible with this tiny but powerful device. If you liked the video, feel free to leave a comment, subscribe, or share your own ideas and setups. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you next time.